Understanding Cash Withdrawal, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase, cash withdrawal. This is a term you'll often encounter in daily life, especially when dealing with banks or financial transactions. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it. Cash withdrawal refers to the process of taking out cash from your bank account. This can be done at a bank, an ATM, automated teller machine, or through other financial services. The key aspect here is that you're receiving physical money, as opposed to transferring funds electronically. 1. ATMs, the most common place for cash withdrawals. You use your debit card and a PIN, personal identification number, to access your account. 2. Banks. You can go to a bank teller and withdraw cash directly from your account. 3. Other services. Some supermarkets or retail stores also offer cashback services during a purchase. When withdrawing cash, especially from ATMs, be aware of fees. Some ATMs or banks charge fees for withdrawals, particularly if it's not your bank. Withdrawal limits. Banks often have a daily limit on how much cash you can withdraw. 1. Be aware of your surroundings. When using an ATM, ensure it's in a safe, well-lit area. 2. Keep your PIN private. Never share your PIN with anyone. 3. Secure your cash. After withdrawal, put your cash away safely before leaving. That's all about cash withdrawal. Remember, it's a simple process, but always be mindful of safety and fees. We hope this video helps you navigate through your banking needs more confidently. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.